Hey, is it possible to do affiliate marketing without a website? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here with a new video. I'm going to teach you how you can do affiliate marketing with no website. And in fact, not just no website, but what if I told you you could do affiliate marketing for free? What if I told you that there was absolutely nothing to sell? What if I told you you didn't even have to run an ad, no marketing, no techie, no nothing, no website, but you could still earn high ticket commissions? So like super high ticket commissions. How would this work? How is this even possible? Well, the basics of affiliate marketing. For those of you that don't know, the basics of affiliate marketing, this is kind of we would call this the norm, okay? So this is the normal way to do this, is essentially you go out here and you run an ad and you point that ad to a website, okay? And that website has a bunch of stuff on it, and when people click on it, they go to make a purchase, okay? And essentially, if you are the person, this is you, and you run this ad and this money is made, then what happens is the company comes back here and they pay you a percentage of the profit, right? Give or take. So it could be a percentage of profit, it could be a specific dollar amount. There's all kinds of different ways that you can kind of figure out what you get paid from affiliate marketing. But I want you to pay close attention to something. There's a few key points here that make it very hard for beginners to make money with affiliate marketing. Number one is this: you have to run ads, you have to generate traffic, right? This is difficult, right? This is point number one that makes affiliate marketing kind of difficult for beginners, and that is if you're not an advertising expert, it's really hard to make more than you spend, okay? Number two is typically you have to build your own website, your own funnel. You've heard people talk about funnels and websites and all these things. Well, typically you have to build your own from scratch. Doing that, that's pretty difficult, right? And then the third thing is, and this is kind of the biggest thing, is that you have to sell something. Typically, an affiliate marketing offer requires money to change hands before you actually make any money. A sale is made, the company pays you a percentage of that sale, and that's how you generate revenue. Well, these are the three failure points. These are the 3 points of failure, okay? And this is why a lot of beginners don't make money in affiliate marketing. What if I told you that I could show you right now how to eliminate websites, eliminate ads, eliminate having to sell things, yet still be able to generate affiliate commissions, right? Would that interest you? If so, just give me a big yes in the comments below. I just want you to put yes, I want to learn, I want to see lots and lots of yeses, and smash the like button for me, because I've already taught you how affiliate marketing works. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just absolutely implode all this. I'm going to tear it all apart, and I'm going to show you how to do it without a website. I'm going to show you how to do it without internet marketing, and I'm going to show you how to do it without selling anything, okay? And what's more important is you're actually going to be able to earn higher ticket commissions with this than pretty much anything else I've ever seen. So typically, this website here is going to be owned by a company like Best Buy, Amazon, somebody that, a big company, right? And they pay you small percentages of the sales that you generate. Well, let's dissect the new way, okay? And this is only available, I must tell you, for a limited time, and you'll understand why in just a second. All right? Basically, this website, okay, becomes the ERC filing company. All right, now you're going to say, what in the world is ERC? So let me break it down for you. So what is ERC? ERC is the employee retention credits that the government put in place during COVID to help small business owners. There were 2 different programs put in place, PPP and ERC. A lot of businesses got their PPP credits, or it was really a PPP loan, right? You probably heard of this. Very few, if any, businesses got their ERC credits, okay? At the time when COVID hit and all this was going crazy, you could only get and qualify for one or the other type of assistance. Since most people got the PPP loans, they didn't really focus at all on the ERC credits. The rules have changed now. Now the government says you can actually have both. So if you qualify for both, you can get both. There's hundreds of millions of dollars set aside in this ERC fund to help small business owners, okay? But there's two problems that small business owners face. One, they don't know that this even exists. And two, they don't know how to file for it. They don't know how to figure out how much money are they due back. The ERC program is a credit. It's a credit for your payroll taxes. It's not free money. It's not a handout. It's not a loan. It is a refund, right? That's what this is. So these small business owners don't know that they qualify for this, okay? So that's where the opportunity for you comes into play. Back to my whiteboard. There's an ERC filing company. What they do is they file and they get money, okay, from the IRS, and they basically get it back for the small business owner. All right, so there's a small business owner, there's money that's given to the small or filed for the small business owner from the IRS, and they give that money back to the small business, okay? They do all the filing, they do the calculations, they do the paperwork, like they do everything. They help them find out if they qualify, the whole 9 yards. But this company right here, the ERC filing company, they need to find more small business owners. That's where you and I come into play. They get us, this would be us, okay? They get us, and what we do is we go talk to these small business owners, and we send those small business owners back to them. So basically, we talk to a small business owner. We say, hey, listen, there's an opportunity for you to possibly qualify for some, like a refund from the government. You may not have heard of this. Can I get you on the phone with the ERC filing company? Can I get you on the phone with them and let them talk to you? And maybe you qualify, maybe you don't. But if you do, it could be really big numbers. That's all we have to do as affiliates of this company. Now, what happens is they do all this paperwork for free, okay? They do all this free, okay? The only time that this company right here, the filing company, gets paid, so how do they get paid? They get, let's just say that in this case, this company, this small business got $1 million, okay, in refunds. Basically, there's a 10 to 30% fee that the filing company charges only when the business owner gets the money. So there's no upfront fee, no upfront credit card fee, none of that, right? It's completely free. When the business owner is holding their $1 million check, they then will send 10 to 30% of that back up to the filing company. It's dependent upon how big the company is, how long it takes, all that stuff. We'll go with an average of 20%. So that means there's 200 grand going to the filing company, 800 grand going back to the business owner. Okay, so if you're tracking with me, you can see that these are big numbers. So how do you get paid? Well, we get 10% of the fee, right? So when the ERC company gets that 20 grand or that 200 grand, they split $20,000 off of it and send it to me or to you or to whoever sent that small business to them. I want you to think about this, okay? This is big. Right? At the time of me filming this video, all right, and I want to be very, very clear and transparent. At the time of me filming this video, my students, okay, in fact, let me show you. Let's go back here. Let me show you this. I have a group on Facebook. You can see right here, 9,500 people are a part of this group. I have a course that I have created right here that teaches you how to do this, teaches you how to be an ERC affiliate. It actually even allows you to sign up as an affiliate, okay? This course, by the way, completely free, cost you nothing. There's a link if you look right below this video. Very first thing you'll see is a link to set up your access to this course. The course will give you access to the Facebook community where you saw 9,500 more people are doing this. Why are you not doing it, right? It's completely free. I do not ask you for $1 for this course. When you sign up as an affiliate here, it does not cost you a single penny, right? Now, what about the results? I can only give you the exact numbers that I've seen from our community. We have done just a tick over $55 million in what the ERC filing company has filed for from the IRS in the last 3 months, give or take. Now, I want to be very clear. Nobody gets paid anything until the business owner gets the check, gets the refund, and then they pay the filing company, then the filing company pays you that fee. But right now, we have a little over $55 million basically deals that have been filed with the IRS for refunds for small business owners that our community has sent. That's a tick over $1 million in commissions that are pending to be paid to our students. Did you see anything in there where you need a website? Did you see anything in there where you need to run a Facebook ad or any of that kind of stuff? Most everybody is doing this by word of mouth. Old school, word of mouth. Now, do I teach you how you can do it with a funnel? Yes, sure I do, because some people are from overseas. They're not from the United States. If you're not from the United States, it's a little bit harder to walk out your door, hop in your car, and go talk to a business owner, right? But the fact of the matter is, there are people doing this, okay? There's a shelf life to it. This program's only available at the time of me filming this, I think about 700 days or so left on this, and then the program will expire, which means there's not an awful lot of time available for you to get out there and do this. Sounds like a long time, but it's not. There are people that are absolutely crushing it with this. And I'm charging you nothing, right? There's no fee. There's a link right below the video. Click the link and you'll see. It's completely free. I'm just teaching you how to do it. Now, why am I teaching you how to do it? Well, because every time they pay you a commission, they pay me a commission override. Transparency. I make money when you make money. Hopefully this doesn't offend you because I filmed this video for free. I take my time to build an entire course completely free. I manage a community on Facebook completely free. We do live trainings every week completely free. And the whole goal is not to sell you anything. It's to show you how to do this the right way, to motivate you to do this every day so that you can sign big companies to get massive refunds, help the company, and then help yourself. Because, I mean, as you can see, 3 months and our students have pending $1 million in commissions, assuming all these businesses get their money from the IRS. We actually had our first one confirmed that got their check from the IRS. I saw it on my report yesterday. Right? So assuming all these businesses get their money, that's $1 million in commissions that our students will make, and we're not doing any of the qualifying. We literally send the business owner to this other company, and they do everything. All we're doing is connecting people. That's it. Opening their minds and letting them know that this opportunity exists, and then simply handing them off to a company that's been doing this type of stuff for over a decade, right? Amazing opportunity. You need to click the link that you see right below and you need to get in on this. You need to make sure that you have access to my course. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Get it now, click the link, and then leave me a comment and say, I'm in the course. I want you to leave me a comment below and say, I'm in the course. I'm in the course. I want to make sure that everybody sees that everybody's getting in the course completely free, right? You might even say it really is free, right? Because there's going to be people that watch this video and think, oh, he's not really giving that away free, and they don't click the link. But you'll see it's really free. Cost you nothing, right? Smash the like button on this and let's share this with other people on YouTube. Let's show other people a truly free way to do affiliate marketing that doesn't require ad spend. It doesn't require funnels and websites and all the complicated stuff and still allows you to earn, really big commissions. There's a possibility there you can get big commissions from this. It's an amazing opportunity. You should be taking advantage of it. Click the link that you see below. Make sure that you get in on this right now. Get the course completely free right now and dive into this. I'll show you how it's done, and I look forward to seeing you next time with another affiliate marketing training.